Ever slept next to someone who sounds like a motorcycle starting? Yeah, that is snoring. But why do we snore? Did our nose just give up and say, I am done. Mouth, it is your shift now? Turns out, snoring happens when air cannot move freely through your nose and throat while you sleep. Your throat muscles relax, and everything starts wobbling like jelly. Imagine your throat throwing a dance party at 2 in the morning. Some people snore so loud. Even mosquitoes wear headphones near them. Want to stop snoring? Try sleeping on your side or tell your neck to hit the gym. Or just record it and send it to NASA as unidentified noise. Snoring when your body sleeps, but your throat becomes a DJ. Drop that bass, sleepyhead.